Hi guys, I'm Han. Welcome back to the V.Studio channel, and today I'll review about the OnePlus 8 Pro. The OnePlus 8 Pro is the newest and most expensive smartphone that OnePlus has ever produced. With the price of $899 USD for the lowest version, whether it is still suitable for the title Flagship Killer or not, let's find out in this video. 1. The design. The first is about design. The OnePlus 8 Pro is an upgrade of the previous OnePlus 7T Pro and also shares common design features. However, the OnePlus also makes a few differences that make the 8 Pro more sophisticated and modern than its predecessor and enough to satisfy any demanding user. The back of the OnePlus 8 Pro is glass with a soft, curved design. The bezel is finished of aluminum and the rear camera cluster looks quite similar to the OnePlus 7 Pro. However, the OnePlus 8 Pro version is equipped with more lenses and additional sensors, arranged vertically to the left of the camera cluster. In addition, the camera body is also slightly more rounded and the convex of the camera cluster is also clearer than last year. 2. The screen. The front of the product is the place that shows the most obvious difference of the OnePlus 8 Pro. Instead of using the pop-up selfie camera like the previous version, this time the OnePlus has brought the latest front camera design trend to its pet product. The OnePlus 8 Pro owns a 6.78-inch AMOLED overflow screen and QHD+ resolution. What makes people admire the most on the on-screen of this machine is that it is equipped with a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz that helps support sampling frequencies up to 240 Hz. One small note is that if you turn on this mode at the same time with QHD+ resolution and HDR10+ technology, the device will very quickly run out of battery. Regarding the quality of the color display or the sharpness, we have nothing to debate about. The screen quality could only be said to be excellent. The fingerprint sensor integrated inside the screen will still be an optical fingerprint sensor. However, there is a plus point that OnePlus has finally added IP68 dust and water resistance to its latest product. 3. The performance. Next comes performance. OnePlus 8 Pro is equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chip. RAM will have two versions of 8GB or 12GB with high-speed UFS 3.0 storage. I have immediately downloaded two heavy and hot games on the market, PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty, to experience the feeling of playing games on this phone. Of these two titles, the most impressive thing is when PUBG Mobile allows its OnePlus 8 Pro 5G to turn on the graphics to HDR level, and is surprised when it can turn the frame rate to extreme, 90 FPS. With a sharp screen plus a powerful processor, it must be said that the gaming experience on the OnePlus 8 Pro is great. In the PUBG Mobile game, I did not see lag appearing during the testing, even when the graphics were turned on to HDR level and extreme frame rate. In moments of movement, the visual display is also very smooth and stable. 4. The battery. About the battery, the device owns a 4510 mAh battery along with the OnePlus 30T charger that charges 50% in 23 minutes. In addition, OnePlus also offers an impressive wireless charging experience on the OnePlus 8 Pro with real-time charging from 0 to 58% battery in just 30 minutes. However, a note is that users must buy the Warp Charge 30 wireless charger, which is not included with the device, for $69.95 on the outside. In addition, the OnePlus 8 Pro also supports reverse wireless charging at 3 watts. Pretty slow compared to some competitors like the Galaxy S20 Plus when it can reverse wirelessly charge at 9 watts. 5. The camera. Finally, about the camera. OnePlus 8 Pro is equipped with 4 cameras including a 48-megapixel Sony IMX689 main camera, a 48-megapixel Sony IMX586 wide-angle camera, a 12-megapixel telephoto camera, and a 5-megapixel color filter camera. On the front of the device also owns a 16-megapixel selfie camera similar to the one on the OnePlus 8.